Pregnancy is a journey unlike any other. It is a time of great joy, anticipation, and love as a new life grows within a woman's body. But it can also be a time of uncertainty and anxiety, especially for first time mothers. This is why it is crucial to have a holistic approach to prenatal care. Today, we will explore how this approach can benefit both the mother and the baby. We believe that a holistic approach to prenatal care is essential for the health and well being of both the mother and the baby. It focuses on the physical, emotional, and mental aspects of pregnancy, as well as the spiritual and environmental factors that can impact a woman's pregnancy experience. One of the key elements of this approach is proper nutrition. A healthy and balanced diet is crucial for the growth and development of the baby. Doctors work closely with nutritionists to create personalized meal plans for pregnant women based on their individual needs. Physical activity is also an important aspect of holistic prenatal care. Gentle exercises like prenatal yoga and swimming can help strengthen the woman's body and prepare her for labor and delivery. Another crucial aspect is addressing the emotional and mental well-being of the mother. Pregnancy can bring about a roller coaster of emotions, and it's essential to have a support system in place. Several clinics offers counseling sessions for women to talk about their fears, worries, and any other concerns they may have. Pregnant women should attend childbirth education classes that prepare women for the different stages of labor and delivery. This not only helps them feel more confident about the process, but also empowers them to make informed decisions about their birth plan. Pregnancy can also take a toll on the body, causing aches and pains. Clinics offers prenatal massage services to help relieve discomfort and promote relaxation for the mother. But the holistic approach to prenatal care doesn't end with the birth of the baby. New mothers should seek postpartum support to help them navigate the challenges of the early days of motherhood. A holistic approach to prenatal care not only focuses on the physical aspects of pregnancy, but also takes into account the woman's overall well-being. It is an inclusive and comprehensive way of caring for both the mother and the baby, leading to a healthy and positive pregnancy experience. Remember, pregnancy and beyond is a journey that should be cherished, and with a holistic approach to prenatal care, we can help make it a truly special and meaningful experience.